Happy holidays, everyone. Linda here with a quick take and, of course, what we hope you all have been waiting for, the solutions to the most recent math fixes. But before we get into that, let's talk a little about what's been going on in the COPs. We've been seeing some great contributions and resources from you and your colleagues that we all can appreciate. Like Debbie Sifo at Lake and Heath in the kindergarten COP, who posted an awesome video of her kindergartners learning about counting on from 10. Let's check it out.
11,
How adorable was that little celebration in the background, right? Or like Miss Turner in Vicenza, who posted a math game called Math Kong that she made to use with her 8th graders to help with angle relationships. See? Kind of like Donkey Kong, but using some tools to help figure out those angle relationships there. And since it is the season of giving, let's dig deep and continue to post those classroom experiences and rich resources that contribute to CCRSM teaching and learning. Recently, you may have noticed a new initiative that we've started called the COP Happy Hour. With so much going on and the challenges that can sometimes arise with implementing new standards and curriculum, we wanted to provide a space and time to just share some good things that are happening. What's been a success for you? What are you proud of right now? What's made you smile recently? We'd love to hear all about it and celebrate with you, so make sure you check out our posts and the updates with this coffee cup logo. Now, let's get into the MathFix. So today's MathFix is brought to you by 5NF1, where students add and subtract fractions with unlike denominators. And they can demonstrate this by replacing given fractions with equivalent fractions, which is something that they'll need to pull on to solve this problem. Let's take a look. We need to fill in the equation shown with two fractions with unlike denominators that will equal 1/20. I can use what I know about fractions with like denominators to make a tree equation, like 5/20 minus 4/20, which will definitely equal 1/20, right? But I need unlike denominators, so this is where equivalent fractions can help me out. I make a fraction model showing one whole divided into 20 equal parts. I shade in 5 parts to show 5/20. Then I cross out 4 parts to show I'm subtracting those parts, and I see that I'm left with 1/20. This model will help me find some equivalent fractions. When I look at the model of 5/20, I can use what I know about parts, wholes, partitioning, and division to see that 5/20 is the same as 1/4. I could then do the same thing for 4/20. Put it all together, and what do you got? A solution to the MathFix supported by a model. Did you get a chance to do this in your classroom? Or maybe you will soon? Don't be afraid to show us. We'd love to see what you've done with this MathFix in your classroom.